Welcome to my little world. Today, let me tell you about my mother. My mother is very beautiful. She has long hair and big eyes. She likes to sing songs. She cooks delicious food for me. She helps me with my homework. She tells me stories before I go to bed. She kisses me goodnight. I love my mother so much. Thanks for watching. See you again in my little world.